That turn was it, bro. That turn we was at, that was it. Yeah, we too far down. I don't hear nobody.
They talking. Jake can't make it through there.
All that to turn around. Go back.
Let's go back.
We can go through that way though. You wanna go that way?
Yeah, it's too much water this way.
Yeah, we can't go that way. I told you want to make this turn right here. New adventure. I don't know where the fuck it take us. We can find out. My belt ready to go. Look.
That smell well.
Yes, sir. Look at it. Look at that. I'm gonna just change it, man. Jake got my damn car. This shit wrapped up in here. I can't go nowhere. That's why I stopped. All this shit wrapped up. I push my shit. Yeah, okay. Look at it. We about to turn right here anyway. He gotta come up. This motherfucker hot.
No, cut it on your finger.
Yeah.
Cut it on your finger.
You hear them, boy?
Oh yeah.
No, I ain't caving this. Black got my belt. Now give me yours. You take black. Give me that. Take the one off black. Yeah?
Yeah.
Ooh. That thing sound like that thing. That little thing. We gonna turn. Right here.
Up, man. That here joyride.
Oh, that's who that is?
Yeah.
We too far down.
That was too damn far.
Yeah, that was the turn.